Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. So, if you're looking to take control of your privacy and manage who can see your posts and profile, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, on your profile page, you'll notice a small icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that icon to proceed. Next, we want to access the Settings menu. To do that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Perfect. Now select the Setting and Privacy option. Give it a tap to continue. Now, select the Creator Tools and Controls option. See that Switch Account Type option. Tap on it. Now tap on Switch to Personal Account. Confirm. Switch to Personal Account. Now you have to tap on Account Privacy option. Switch on the Private Account button. Switch to Private. Now you have enabled Private Account. Now your account is private. Well, that wraps up today's tutorial on making your Instagram account private. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow along. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.